Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, and welcome back to my Passion for Purple collab. It is a collab that I host on the 15th of each month, and myself and the other participants, we share projects that we have made with my favorite color, which is purple. And this collab I started last year as an inspiration from Sarah, who is Crafting and Relaxing. She has a Joy of Blue collab. So I started this last year to be able to create with my favorite color. And turns out there are a lot of people who also enjoy the color purple, and they are playing along with me. I have, for this month, made a bracelet and earring set. I was going through my purple stash and found some beads that were like stone, and of course this gorgeous shade of purple. And I like them because they're not like round and they're not square. They're just very irregular in shape. Each bead is like a different shape. And I have 5 remaining. I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 for my earrings and bracelet. And then also, I don't know if these were from Bargain Bead Box or if I just reused the baggie. But I have these really pretty, sort of a pale plum, almost sort of a light plum. And they are sort of flat little discs. They're not round. They're just sort of a squashed, it's like someone just kind of squashed them flat. But they are pretty cool looking, and I love the shade of that purple. I was going to use some other beads as well, but I really didn't think they went. I like the pattern I have here better. I just went with a stone and then one of those lighter color little tiny bead spacers, and then went with my teeny weeny little bead caps. These are those, or beads, not bead caps, daisy spacers. And these are like the smallest I've ever seen. I think I got these from Bargain Bead Box, possibly. But if not, I really can't remember. Not Bead Box, not Bargain Bead Box. Bead Box Bargains. But I'm not 100% sure. But there is what they look like. They are so super tiny. But I love them. I love that they just kind of barely peek out from in between the beads. And this one should be flipped around. And I just went with a simple design with the little stone bead and the tiny spacer and one of those sort of flattened little purple beads. And I think it turned out really, really pretty. And I kind of tried to pull or pick out 2 of the stone beads that were more close in size, so that they'd make a little bit better looking pair of earrings. And they're pretty close to being a match. And then for the bracelet, I've done something, messed up something, because this doesn't want to lay flat. And I think I twisted my wire, which you don't want to do when you're putting a, when you're using a crimp tube. And I have to, it's one of these 2. I can't remember which one, but I'm going to have to redo this because, yeah, this is the one. As you can see, it's wanting to flip over on me instead of laying flat like this one. This one is behaving. This one is laying more flat. And this crimp tube here is twisting, or the wire is twisting on me. But anyways, it's making it very kind of just not wanting to cooperate and lay nicely. So I'll need to restring this, but I just didn't have time to do it before I needed to get this video done. I just went with a simple little, like a plain style toggle that I also got from the Bead Box Bargains. It's the sister store of the Bargain Bead Box. You can find all kinds of awesome deals on beads. And I added a couple little spacers at the end. I'd actually gotten, I think maybe on Amazon a while ago. There's one more of these old tubes. I can't find it right off. Oh, here it is. But it came with 5 different collars. There's like a, more of a, I think this is like an antique silver. And then there's gold and gunmetal and copper and bright silver. Little tubes of containers of spacer beads. And so I just added a few at the end of the last bead. And that is how the bracelet turned out. I think it's so pretty. It's not very heavy for having those stone beads. It's got a little bit of weight to it, but it's not like super heavy. And that is what it looks like laying down there. Again, that one's kind of wanting to stand up. As you can see, that part of the toggle just wants to twist and stand up. So I'll need to redo my bracelet, restring it. Luckily, it's a very simple design. Won't take but just a minute. And then there are the earrings, which I absolutely love, with just the stone bead and 1 daisy and 1 little purple bead on top. So, thank you everyone for stopping by. Please try to check out the other participants who play along every month or as they can. I'll have the information in the description for how to search this up. And I will see everyone in my next video. Take care.